So let's open up the lines. It's 1-888-31 radio, 1-888-317-2346. The lines are open. If you call right now, you will be able to get your immigration questions answered live and on the air on this Monday, March 29th, rainy Monday. 1-888-31 radio, 1-888-317-2346. Let's go to the first line. Hi, you're on the air. Still not on the air. What's going on here, Marvin? Let's see. Hello, you're on the air. Hello? Hello? All right, let's try this. Hello, you're on the air. Hello?
Yeah, hello?
Okay.
Yeah, hello?
All right, we got one person. Hi, you're on the air.
Yeah, hello, good day.
Good day.
Yeah, I called in to ask two questions. I don't know if I could allow that. What's going on is that I was removing the temporary conditions of my green card, right?
Right.
And so happened that me and my wife ended up in an incident, and the court gave me a protection order that I can't go by the house to intercept my mails, you know what I mean?
Right.
And I don't know what to do, how to go about it. I really don't know what to do.
Well, it's good and bad. Okay, the bad is obviously you and your wife have this situation. You can't go get your documents. You can't go near her. Obviously, it sounds like the marriage broke up. However, when you have orders of protection against you, as long as there haven't been any criminal charges brought against you, that's evidence of itself of a real marriage. So, what I would suggest that you do is you come see me. Okay, let's see if we can work it out. And we can get your documents from your wife, and probably what you're going to need to do is get a divorce, okay? And again, that's what we were talking about, the synergy of Spar and Bernstein, that we have in two different departments, a matrimonial department dealing with your divorce, and a family law department dealing with this order of protection, and seeing what we can do to try to get your documents back from your wife, and an immigration department that's going to remove your conditions with evidence that, believe it or not, the order of protection against you helps you. People are entering good marriages, usually enter in business marriages, don't have orders of protection against each other. It's only people who enter in real marriages and get in real fights that do. And what the Immigration Service wants to see is that this marriage was real. That's all they're concerned about. Okay? So give us a call.
What I wanted to say is that, so I can't change the address then?
Yes, change the address, and I think what we're going to need to do is you're going to need to get a divorce from her, because it sounds like the marriage, as far as I understand, is broken up. But if you tell me it's different, it's different. But it sounds like you're going to need to get a divorce. And it sounds like we're going to prove that it was a real marriage with what documents you have. If we can get some documents back from your wife, and certainly with the order of protection, and you should be able to get through.
All right. So you can give me a number that I can get in touch with.
1-800.
Hold on, just now.
Okay. All right.
All right. Give me it.
Okay. 1-800.
All right. Just now.
1-800-529. 5465.
5465.
Correct.
All right, I can ask my question now.
All right, give us a call now. 1-800-LawLink. I'm dropping you. I got to go to the next line. Hi, you're on the air.
Yes, hi. I have a question to ask. I'm 27 years old. I was born in Jamaica. Both of my parents are naturalized citizens. I just want to know, can I get my naturalization through them, or would I have to go and just apply for citizenship myself?
How old were you when you got your green card?
I was 6 years old.
And when did your parents become citizens? How old were you?
Well, I was 16 when my mother became a citizen, and 18 years old my father became naturalized.
Okay. Now, is your mother and father married?
No, they're divorced.
When did they divorce?
Well, like about, I would say 7 years ago.
Okay, so they divorced about 2003.
Yeah.
Correct? Now, you say you're 27 years old. I'm really bad in math. Give me your date of birth.
6/15/82.
82. Marvin says 1982. He just whispered it in my ear. Okay, so in February of 01, you were already 18 years old, and your parents were married to each other. So that means that you fall under the old immigration laws. And under the old immigration laws, if your parents were married up until your 18th birthday and you turned 18 prior to February of 2001, which you did, then you are not a citizen, unfortunately. So you would have to file your N-400. Sorry to tell you.
Okay.
All right, it only takes about 4 or 6 months. It's not that bad.
4 to 6 months. Okay, I thought it was like 2 years or so.
No. 4 to 6 months. It's really fast now.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Okay. All right, 1-800-LAW-LINK, 1-800-529-5465 to give us a call in our office. When you do call us, it is a $120 consultation fee, but not for all my departments. It's a $120 consultation fee for immigration. It's a $120 consultation fee for criminal defense. It's a $120 consultation fee for matrimonial. For the tax debt relief, it's absolutely, positively 100% free. For personal injury, medical malpractice, it's 100% absolutely free. And for bankruptcy, it is also 100% absolutely free consultation. Hi, you're on the air.
Hello, good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I have a question for you.
Yeah.
I supposed to go on the 16th of this month for my citizenship, and then they call me and tell me that the file not going to reach down in time, so they will schedule me for a next appointment.
Right.
And I get a letter from them saying the same thing, that the file don't reach on time, so I'm still waiting on them to schedule for an appointment.
How long has it been?
My appointment was the 16th of this month.
All right. I'm sure that you will get a rescheduling in the next 30 to 45 days. You know, that's just American government bureaucracy, not, getting the file there on time for your interview. But I'm sure you will hear from them certainly before the end of April, early May. If May 15th comes and goes and you still don't have an interview, you come see me. But I'm sure within the next 4 or 6 weeks you'll have an interview.
Okay.
All right?
Okay, thanks a lot.
All right, bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Hi, you're on the air.
Hello, good morning.
Yes.
I'm here on a visiting visa,
Right.
and I found this nice guy, and we started dating and stuff. And we're planning to get married in a couple of weeks. And I was wondering, how may I go about getting my paper done through the lawyer?
Well, when are you getting married?
Say around next week.
Next week. All right. Well, congratulations.
Thank
What
you.
what you need to do is you come see us. It's you give us a call at 1-800-LAW-LINK. We're going to put together an adjustment package for you, and we're going to file it. And from the time that I file it, which if you get married next week, probably should be filed the week thereafter. It shouldn't only take us more than a week or so to put it together. You will get fingerprinted about 6 weeks later. You'll get your work permit in 90 days. So let's say we file by April 15th. Hypothetically, May, June, July 15th, you should have your work permit and social security number, and you should have a green card probably by September. Now, you're going to get a 2-year conditional green card, not a permanent green card. The reason you're going to get a 2-year conditional green card is because you have been married for less than 2 years when you go for your interview.
Okay.
At the end of the 2 years, you have to go back with your husband, which is what that other man we just spoke to a few calls before about who has the order of protection. His wife took out the order of protection against him to prove that it was a real marriage.
Okay.
As I was telling the other man, you don't have to stay in an unhappy marriage to keep your green card. All you have to do is be able to prove it was a real marriage. And as I was saying to him, and I hope this never happens to you or your spouse, that the fact that there's an order of protection actually helps your case, because people who enter in business marriages usually don't get into fisticuffs with each other.
Okay. So how much money will it cost?
Well, it's $120 to come in and see me. I can't give you a fee over the radio, but I can tell you that the filing fees just to pay immigration before you hire an attorney are $1,365.
Okay, thank you.
All right, you know our number to call?
Yes.
Okay, what is it?
1-800-529-5465.
You got it. We'll see you soon.
All right, thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Rather than you going from office to office to office.